2 pounds ground beef, 1 diced white onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now we're just gonna get these mashed, mixed, and cooked up. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna add a little spice blend in here. This is the Dano's Crunchy. It is sea salt, pepper, onion, garlic, lemon peel, deliciousness, sesame seeds. Super good, y'all. All right, we're just gonna keep getting this meat cooked, flavored, and ready to savor. All right, this is looking good. Now I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of Wash Your Sister sauce. And I'm just gonna eyeball that. Smells good. Now I got 1 10.5 ounce corn, canned corn, drained. I've got Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. Perfeccione. Look at this, we'll even scrape the can. Now I've got some sour cream. I'm gonna put about 1/4 of a cup, eyeballing that right there. And now I'm coming in with some Colby Jack cheese. You can use whatever kind you like, but I love Colby Jack. I had some left over. And I'm gonna want about 1.5 cups, which is good because I don't have too much. I probably have 2 cups in here. I'm gonna reserve some of this and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with that. Alrighty dighty, as my mom would say, we're ready to get this mixed up. Super easy dinner, y'all. You just start with that ground beef, and then you probably have the rest of these ingredients just at home in your pantry, in your fridge. We had an extra little bit of leftover ground beef, and we were thinking, what could we make with this? Then we're like, well, we got a soup, we got a can of corn, we got some cheese, we got some Wash Your Sister sauce, we got some sour cream. And this would make a beautiful, delicious, tasty casserole. And y'all, we're gonna be doing a little bit more to this. So this isn't the final thing. We're gonna add another step. But this is smelling really good and coming together so easily. Don't you think, Marty?
Definitely.
You know what? I think I can turn my heat off on here because we are gonna be throwing this in the oven momentarily. I'm gonna come in with the rest of this cheese. We're making a layer right on top. Of course, use more or less cheese if you desire. Alrighty, y'all, those were just our tater tots that we put into a crust right on top. Now I'm popping this in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, we had this for about 27 minutes in our oven. You know what, I'm just gonna come right on in here with my little pie cutter. Marty was thinking I might need a scooper, and he could be right. I'm not sure. We're gonna see how this all came together. Oh, Marty, I think you're right. You could need a scooper. Well, that's all right. I can still get it. Ah, it smells terrific. Oh my gosh, these tots. Oh, our beef with that corn. Woo, it smells so good, y'all. What an easy dinner. I think this one is a crowd pleaser because who doesn't love cream of mushroom soup, tater tots, a little ground beef, a little corn. This is so good. This reminds me of something. I don't know what, but it's real good. Y'all, you gotta try it.